Good morning, students. We will continue our chapter from the diary of Anne Frank. Today we will discuss the questions, additional questions from the lesson from the diary of Anne Frank. Why does Anne think it prudent and wise to provide a brief sketch of her life? And the answer is, Anne Frank calls her diary friend Kitty. She addresses all her writings to Kitty. For readers, it would be rather difficult to understand a word of her stories to Kitty. So instead of plunging right in, she thinks it wise to provide a brief sketch of her life, though she dislikes doing so. Next question, why did Anne Frank feel suffocated? And the answer is, Anne Frank was a very sensitive girl. She was cut off from the mainstream of life, her friends and her people. She was living in a hiding to escape being arrested by the Nazi agents in Holland. Moreover, even with the so-called friends, she could not share her intimate and personal feelings and problems. She felt suffocated. She was left with no alternative than opening out her heart through the pages of her diary. Kitty, her diary, became her most intimate friend. And the next question is, give a brief description of Anne Frank's family. And the answer is, Anne confesses that she has lovely parents. Her father, Otto Frank, is the most adorable father she has ever seen. Her elder sister, Margot, was born at Frankfurt in Germany in 1926. Her mother, Edith, was 25 when she married her father. She and her elder sister stayed with their grandmother before they were sent to live with their parents in Amsterdam. Next question. Anne Frank had a great attachment with her grandmother. Justify your answer. And the answer is, there is no doubt that Anne Frank had a great attachment with her grandmother. When her parents migrated to Holland, she, along with her elder sister Margot, were sent to live with her grandmother in Achi. The grandmother died in January 1942. She thought of her quite often and still loved her. Next question. Why was the entire class quaking in its boots? And the answer is, it is true that the whole class was shaking with fear. The teachers were to decide about the fate of the students. They were to decide who would go up in the next class or not. Half of the class was making bets. The verdict of the teachers could go either way. They were quite unpredictable creatures on earth. Next question. Why did Anne Frank say that teachers are the most unpredictable creatures on earth? And the answer is, Anne Frank felt that nothing could be predicted about the mood of the teachers. They were the most unpredictable creatures on earth. It depended on their choice who would go up in the next class. Only they could decide who would be kept back. Half the class was making bets. Next question. How was Annie getting along with her teachers? Why was Mr. Kissing annoyed with her? And the answer is, no doubt, Anne Frank was getting along well with all her 9 teachers. 7 men and 2 women. Mr. Keesing was an old-fashioned man who taught them mess. He was annoyed with her for a long time. The reason was simple. He didn't like Annie as she talked so much in the class. Our next question is, why did Mr. Keesing assign Annie to write an essay entitled A Chatterbox? And the answer is, there was only one teacher with whom Annie was not getting along well. He was Mr. Keesing. The maths teacher was annoyed with her because she talked too much in the class. After several warnings, he gave her an extra homework as a sort of punishment. She was assigned to write an essay on the topic A Chatterbox. Next question. How did Annie justify her habit of talking in her first essay on A Chatterbox? And the answer is, Annie Frank wrote 3 pages on the topic A Chatterbox. In the essay, she justified her habit of talking. She argued that talking was a student's trait. She would never be able to cure herself of the habit. She did, if not more. She would do her best to keep it under control. However, it was very difficult to control her inherited trait. Next question. What were the second and the third essays assigned to Annie Frank as punishment? And the answer is, Mr. Keesing had a good laugh at Annie's arguments in the first essay on A Chatterbox. He assigned her a second essay on an incorrigible chatterbox. She did write on the subject. Mr. Keesing was not satisfied. He said, Annie Frank, as punishment for talking in the class, write an essay entitled Quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. We will continue it tomorrow.